Welcome to the moon. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the coolest camping spots I've seen of all time. This place is epic. What is up, drivers? Welcome to the carpool lane. I am here in Utah. I just arrived at the factory Butte special recreation area. I just got done at the Bronco safari, which was great. Thank you to all the Broncos that showed up. Today, we will be exploring the spot that I've been wanting to check out for a long time. I've seen it and it looks insane. So I'm happy to be stopping by on the way home from Moab. So let's get to it. I'm gonna air down just to get a smoother ride. And we're gonna go check out some of these cool formations. This is my camping spot, and I mean mine. There's nobody else out here. It's kind of weird. I was like, I don't know if I'm in the right place, if I'm allowed to camp here. It's BLM land, so I'm pretty sure I can. But I'm gonna get set up, cook some burritos, and then enjoy the peace and quiet. This is gonna be tough though. This is my first time like camping alone without Kobe. Missing my dog right now. He had to stay home. Okay, oh my God, look at this spot. This is where I should have camped last night, but I had no idea where I was. I'm always spontaneously traveling, so if you're like, man, this guy's an idiot, he should have stayed over there at the Skyline rim. I am, but I'm a learning idiot, okay? I'll admit it. But look at this. How sick is that? And you got a bunch of van lifers over there. It's a pretty cool spot. You could literally camp right here. It's got a fire ring overlooking all of that. All right, that is it for me here at the Swing Arm City and Factory Butte. This place is obviously out of this world. So if you do come here, make sure you try and camp at Skyline Rim, because that just seems cool waking up, looking over that edge. Otherwise, you're allowed to camp here in Swing Arm City or anywhere by Factory Butte. It's all BLM land. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, you know which buttons to push, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.